With market moves remaining sluggish and indices hovering around key support levels, it is time investors turn to specific sectors to mint money. One such sector which investors can consider as a short-term investment bet is cement. On Tuesday, cement stocks ended up to 3% lower amid reports that cement manufacturers may drop planned price hike for the month of November. Besides, reports also suggest cement companies have likely cut prices in the Delhi NCR region. This comes after average cement prices witnessed a sharp rise of 8% month-on-month in October 2021. Region-wise, prices in 9% of MOM in North and 8% each in South and West. When compared with average prices Q2, cement prices were higher by 5 to 9% across regions last month. However, yesterday's sell-off need not be considered as a trend reversal. According to tech charts, even as stock prices of cement makers are facing minor selling pressure, the overall underlying trend remains firm.
The overall trend in the cement stock is highly bullish, with stocks like ACC, Grasim, Ultratech trading at the higher end of the up move. The sentiment is very positive, with downside restricted to crucial support levels and market participants eagerly waiting to take entry at the respective supports, considering it would be an accumulation stage. One can easily expect a jump of nearly 8 to 10% based on the various formation cement stocks are highlighting on the technical charts. One can see sideways consolidation, stock price breakout, candlestick formations that are likely to indicate a bullish, a positive view according to all the weekly and daily charts.
Fundamentally, long-term outlook for the sector also remains bullish as analysts expect gradual surge in cement prices as demand picks up on account of festival season coming to an end, government spending on infrastructure-related work, and uptick in real estate demand. Analysts at JM Financial, for instance, remain bullish on Ultratech Cement, ACC, Dalmia Bharat, and Shree Cement and have a buy rating on each of them. Apart from cement stocks, auto and IT stocks will be on investor radar today after their outperformance in yesterday's session. Besides, initial public offers of Tarsan products, Go Fashion India, will vie for investor interest. The former's IPO will enter its last day today and has already been subscribed over 3 times so far. The latter's share sale, meanwhile, will open today and will conclude on November 22nd. According to analysts, the company's valuations are in line with peers, but it has a relatively better track record of revenue growth, has higher operating margin and better return on equity. All these factors make the 1,013 crore rupees issue attractive from long-term perspective. On the global front, FII activity and the US retail sales data will dictate the market trends. Yesterday, the BSE Sensex fell 396 points to end at 60,322, while the Nifty 50 closed at 17,999, down 110 points.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.